Hi, this is a little sample of what I do in my membership for writers called the Writer's Block. You can see it at katiedavis.com/writersblock. This is an example from one of my members, or my neighbors as I call them, from Hannah, and she gave me permission to use it as an example. She titled it Louis and the Perfect Beginning. And the first thing I told her was that I think that the title needs to be changed. First of all, because perfect is a cutesy pun that's overused, and this story is better than that. And also because she basically gives away all the stakes. Louis has a perfect beginning. It's about a cat who gets adopted by a woman and in the rain. And so when you give away in the title, don't worry, he's got a perfect beginning. He's not going to stay in the rain in the box. And don't worry, he's going to have a family. That's giving away everything. And you need to have stakes, even in a picture book for little kids. Yeah, because it makes it more interesting in the book. And also it shows that you have respect for your reader.